friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my haul from the Sigma Beauty Holiday Collection. Plus, we've got another one of our 25 days of giveaways. If that sounds interesting, you want to see what I got and see what's in our giveaway, stick around. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen, and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Like a lot of you, I first heard about Sigma for their brushes, and you all know I love my brushes. But they also have really great eyeshadow palettes and other makeup products. So when I saw they were coming out with a holiday collection, I decided to check it out, and I thought you guys would enjoy seeing it too. So let's take a look and see what they've got in their holiday collection. So the first thing is, and you know, the most important thing to me is always going to be the eyeshadow palette, and this is their Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. And they say this embodying timeless glamour, Rendezvous lets you escape to an era of golden splendor, opulence, and excess. It does come with a brush, and this is a mini E25 blending brush. And then the palette itself, and it's just absolutely gorgeous packaging on this. You know me, I like anything sparkly, so it really sucked me in there. And then here's the palette itself, and you open it up. No mirror in this one, but here are the 6 shades. It's very pretty. It's very soft and pretty. You know, normally when you think holiday, I think kind of dramatic, but I like the idea that there's, you know, just kind of something soft and pretty. You know, this year, chances are I'm not going to be doing too many holiday parties, so soft and pretty, nothing wrong with that. And it also, to me, makes it more everyday wearable. So, really kind of happy with the Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. The next item that was part of this set is their beloved mini lip set. And it's lavish your lips with luxurious color with 3 mini lip glosses and a dazzling beauty bag, featuring rich shimmery shades from our beloved Rosa collection. These lip glosses are perfect for adding a little glamour on the go. And here is the bag. And you absolutely could use this as a holiday clutch if you were actually going anywhere. As it is really, really pretty. I say Sigma here, but I mean, it really is just lovely. I did not pick up any of the lip glosses from the Rosa collection, so I was happy to get these in the minis. And there are 3 in here, and here's the inside of the clutch. It is very pretty. The 3 shades are, let's see if I can do them in the right order. This one is Rosa, which they describe as an earthy rose shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous. Lilac Wine, which is a pale pink shimmer. I think lilac, I think purple, but okay. It's a pale pink shimmer, that's Lilac Wine. And I know that they're considering these minis, but to me this is actually not a bad amount of lip gloss. I don't know that I've ever actually used up an entire lip gloss. So minis work out pretty well for me. And our last shade is Secret Garden, and this is a soft rosewood shimmer. Again, very, very pretty. This whole collection is just kind of soft and lovely from what I'm seeing, you know, and it does come, this set does come with this little clutch, which is, again, very, very pretty. You could, you know, not only use it as to store these in, but you could use these at a holiday party as a little clutch purse. The next part of their collection is the Rose Glow Cheek Duo. And this is Liven Up Your Skin with the Luminous Rose Gold Duo, featuring a brilliant light reflecting highlight and the iconic Rosa blush. I do not have the Rosa blush, so I was quite pleased that it was being included here. The velvety soft formulas blend like a dream, so your skin will look flushed and radiant wherever you go. It does come with the Soft Blend 60 powder brush, and they say you can use the blend powder, blush, or bronzer. And then the Duo itself has its own packaging inside the set package. And again, just the packaging. I don't know if that's coming across on camera, but it's just gorgeous. And here are the two shades. Very, very wearable. Again, soft and pretty, and I feel like it really will go very well together as the set. And I love the fact that if you bought the blush, you know me, I like the fact that it came with a brush. So those are the three pieces that I bought for myself from the collection. But now it's time for the giveaway. And there was something else in the set that I had my eye on, and I decided instead to buy these three individual pieces. They had the Rendezvous makeup collection, and this, they say, complete with everything from buttery soft pressed powders and moisturizing lip glosses to a velvet beauty bag. You create looks that inspire classic glamour on the go. So this collection includes the eyeshadow palette, the cheek duo, and the 3 lip glosses. And it comes in this gorgeous pink beauty bag. Absolutely stunning. The products are all inside. So you will, you'll be getting your own. It includes the rose gold cheek duo, the glosses, and the eyeshadow palette. Now, the only thing is, buying it this way, that you got the collection with the makeup bag, means you don't get the clutch that came with the lip glosses if you bought the glosses separately. And you also don't get the brushes that came with the eyeshadow palette and the cheek duo. So unfortunately those don't come with this, but you know me and brushes. And other thing that they had in this collection that I did pick up that I will include with the makeup collection is the Petite Perfection brush set. It is 3 mini brushes and a little rose gold beauty bag. It's got a lovely rose gold small beauty bag, and the brushes fit inside it. You get the mini E65 small angled brush, the mini E32 exact blend brush, and the mini E38 diffused crease brush. So you will get that mini brush set in addition to the entire Rendezvous makeup collection with the absolutely stunning pink velvet bag. Rules. Okay, rules are going to be the same as they are in all of my giveaways. You must have a US shipping address. You must be 18 or over. You must be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions public. Even if you think they are, please double check. I have had winners in the past, or people who were selected by the comment picker in the past who could not be declared the winner because their subscriptions were not public and I could not verify. If I can't verify, then you cannot be declared the winner. It is a part of the rules of the giveaway that your subscriptions have to be public, because that's the only way that I can verify that you are in fact subscribed to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have one. My handles are down below. If you don't have one, that's fine, but if you do, it would really help me out. Please leave a comment that includes the word enter. And let's see, why don't we include the word rose somewhere in your comment, whether it's about the rose gold brushes, the rose gold packaging, the fact that you like rose water facial spray, anything that includes the word rose, so that I will know that you want to be in included in this giveaway. If you don't want to be included, don't include the word enter and the word rose. You can include the word rose, of course, but if you don't, just don't include the word. Does that make sense? I'm sort of babbling today. That's what happens when you're trying to film a lot of videos in one day. I do have to pre-film a lot right now because, as those of you who've been around know, I'm obviously having an issue with my eye, or I wouldn't be playing pirate, but I am having surgery that is going to put me out of commission for a bit, so I'm trying to pre-film and kind of get some things done. But anyway, again, leave the word enter in your comment along with the word rose in some form. If you have an Instagram or Twitter, please also leave me your Instagram or Twitter name so that I have a second way of contacting you besides just responding to your comment on YouTube, because that does help. YouTube's notifications, as we all know, are not always the best, and I would hate to have somebody miss out because they didn't realize that they had won. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter and you feel comfortable leaving me another way to contact you, like an email address or whatever, that's great. You do not have to. I don't want anybody putting information out there that they don't want to be public. So if you're comfortable with just checking here, or hoping that the notifications are good, that's perfectly fine. But if you do have an Instagram or Twitter name, that just gives me a second way to reach out to you so that I can let you know in two places, so that you don't miss out. Once I ship the box, I am no longer responsible for the box or its contents, and I will give the winner their tracking number once it does ship. Because of both my health situation and everything going on in the world, I cannot guarantee when these will ship. I will ship them as soon as possible after the giveaway ends, but unfortunately I cannot guarantee a specific date, both due to my health and due to the conditions in the world with the pandemic. I live in New Jersey, where the virus numbers are pretty high. We are not in a lockdown now, but that doesn't mean that by the time this is all going that we may not be. So I will do my best to get them out as soon as I can, but certainly not at the risk of jeopardizing anyone's health. Just for the record, this giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube or Sigma Beauty. And all items in this giveaway were purchased with my own money. I will leave this giveaway open for 14 days, and I will put the date down below because I'm not entirely certain which date this one's going to go up. Because like I said, I have to pre-film these, but I will leave the date down below, and the giveaway will close, and it will close at 1 p.m. Eastern. On that date, the winner will have 48 hours to respond to me, or I will choose another winner. And as I said, the packages will go out as soon as possible afterwards. As I mentioned in my other videos, just want to be very clear that just because you have won or entered other giveaways of mine, particularly if you've won or are entered in giveaways that are currently running, does not mean that you cannot enter and win any or all of my other ones. Unless I specifically say so in the giveaway video and the rules, you are free to enter and win any or all of my my giveaways. There has been one that I filmed so far that I had any kind of restriction at all, and that was just the Natasha Denona palette giveaway, in which I asked that that giveaway be left for people who didn't get it in box and chart. But otherwise, we're a fairly small community here, so it is perfectly reasonable that somebody could win, especially when I'm doing so many giveaways in 1 month, that somebody could win more than one, and I guess technically somebody could win all 25. And if that's the kind of luck you have, then I want you picking my lotto numbers. But as I said, this is about giving back to you, and once it's in the common picker's hands, then if you are the winner, you are the winner. If you are meant to win 2, 3, 5 of my giveaways, then that is what's going to happen. So please leave any comments down in the comments section. Again, remember, include the word enter and the word rose if you do want to be entered in this giveaway. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already, even if you're not interested in this giveaway, because there are many others coming, and there's many other things besides just giveaways on this channel, and I'd love to have you to be part of this community. Remember, life is uncertain, so add extra sparkle, and thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Please be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.